Isaax the artist, I'm back again, my good people. This time around we're gonna go to Cinema 4D, look at the volume builder and the volume measure to come up with something like that. So times waits for no man, let's go. Here we are in Cinema 4D, my good people. Once again, business as usual. Isaax the artist is the name. So today, that is the business of the day. We will use this picture as a source of reference. We're not gonna make like model similar to this exactly, but something similar to that in a way. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start with that handle. Okay, so I want to drop in a disk and be on keyboard. Let me go to my top view, hit C. Okay, edge mode. Let me click 1 and 2. Extrude them out just a bit. Okay, hold shift. No, I'm sorry. Scale it down, then hold shift. 0. Perfect. Do the same here. Yep, that will do. Hold control, move it out a bit, do the same. Scale that down, hold shift, and do that. Okay, so now 1, 2. Hold control, bring that down just a bit, let it there. So double click there. Okay, this should curve from here. Hold control, move it up. Do that. Hold control, do that again. And one more thing, I'm not gonna use scale modeling this because that will take time. I don't want this to be lengthy. Okay. Let me put this in now. Drop in it now, put it there. Put this in a sub D and A. Okay. It's not bad. Grab that, try to move it down. Thank you. Again. Let's work this, okay? I'm gonna move this 2 and those 2. Then I'm gonna move that. Alright. Okay. Think I like what I'm seeing. There is always a room for improvement, of course. Let me go back in there and wait. Let me try to move those in there. Scale them in. Yep, I'm gonna leave it there. So let's put some thickness to this. Okay, disable that. Press the create caps, make sure it's selected. Now let's extrude, leave it there. Enable your sub D, let's put 3 there. KL on keyboard, right? KL again, so we can see the attributes of our loop path cut. Symmetrical cut, let's put those there. It's more of a hard surface in a way. Save progress. Okay, now KL again. Oh, make sure no symmetrical cut. Let's put 1 there. Put another there. Thank you. Press Q or disable your sub D there. Now, double click that. Go to your scale tool. Let's go with that. Okay, until 0. I'm just gonna name this handle, you know. So we are done with that part. So what's next? Okay, bolt and nuts. Let's go with that. So let's drop in our disk, right? Just gonna go to view port solo. NB on keyboard, right? NB on keyboard. Press C, wait a minute, Control Z, let me put 4 there. Put 24 here. Oh, yep, that will do. Press C. Go to points mode, press UL, select that ring, hold shift. Press that ring, rectangle selection, press there, delete. UL once more. Move it up. Okay, let's select 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold Control, bring it down. Let's flatten that. Scale. Just drag that in while in the process of doing that, hold shift. Then increment by 5 until 0. Leave it there. Let's clean house. Okay, let's get rid of those there. Pitch. Let's just rearrange some of those. Hold shift. Bring them down. Okay, surely you see where we're going with this. Yep. Now, let's make a copy of that. I mean, let's clone that. Clone radial mode. Plain XZ perfect, but count. Let's make 6. I'll put 0. Make 6. That will do, right? Oh, let me extend that. Okay. Okay. Now let's connect everything, right? Right click, selection run. Right click again. Connect objects. Let's just hide that one, right? And put that in a sub D and C. Sub D, sub D, sub D. Okay. Before that, let's put that in a connector, right? Then connect objects. Hide that as well. Okay, now let's put this in a sub D, right? Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, now let's press KL. Let's make a symmetrical card. Put 2 there. Also put 2 there, right? And I want to see that now. Hold control, put 1 there. We can put another. And then drag that down. Just leave it somewhere there. Double click at the bottom as well. I'll leave it there. Doesn't matter because we're only gonna focus on that part. Enable your sub D. Okay, there you have it. That's your nut. So for the bowl, okay, radius. Put it there. Let me crank this to 100. Right. Bring in our helix. XZ. Rescale the helix. Right. Let me hide that for now. Bring this down, bring it there. And angle. And angle and angle. And now height. Put some height there. Bring it down. Height once more. Bring it down. So let's put that in a volume. Right. Pick 1. Okay, bring your helix in there. But let's subtract. I'm gonna bring that under a measure. It looks okay, but we can improve this by putting all the helix under a sweep. Okay, put that one there. Rescale. I'm rescaling there. Okay, put that under a sweep. Wonderful. Now bring in your sweep there. Enable. Make sure you subtract. And that is that. We can also bring a smooth. I'm gonna put 50. It's too smooth. 30. Okay, 15 and 10. Somewhere 15 and 10 because this is more of a hard surface in a way. Then do that. Bring everything in. Oh, nudge. Everything under 1 now. Okay. Not bolt. Okay. Clean that down. Just leave it somewhere there, you know. So we're just gonna rescale this to a reasonable size. The reason it's too slow is too late is because it's calculating. Let me disable that. Move it up. enable again. So there you have it. So that is that with the nut and bolt. Now on to the next one. So now we are nearly at the business end of things. We remain with that part and that part. So let's just quickly do this, okay? Dropping a cylinder, I'm just gonna put 100 those because I want to reuse this over and over. Bring that down, okay? 1 to 12, bring it down. Let me make a copy of this, okay? Put that in a Z. Oh, bring it down. Think somewhere there. Increase the height as well. Move that up, okay? Focus on this guy. Oh, okay. Let me make a copy of this. Copy of this. Resize. Put it there. Escape. Oh. That step and that step. I'm just gonna resize this again. Put it there. Okay. Radius. The size of this should be something like that. And now let's let me copy the Z position of this because I want to bring in another primitive, the tube. Okay, the Z. Also copy the Y. Okay, Y. Think I like what I'm saying. Let's reduce the rotational segment to something like 8. 8, right? Let me do that. Rescale. This is where I'm at right now. Perfect, wonderful. Yeah, think I like that. I'm just gonna do the same that side, so I need to copy these and that one, right? Pull them that side. That one should come on the inside. Should be there. Yep, that should be there. With no doubt. Let me extend this main piece. That's going to be my main piece. I'm just gonna do that. Make a copy, call this bool. You'll see what I'll pay in a minute once I put everything in a sub D. Increase the height. I want that to punch a hole in that. Okay, that is that. Wonderful. So now let's make the magic happen. Put this baby in a volume. Put one. Now let's invite everyone. Come join the party. Come the volume. Let me try to subtract and see what's happening there. Why is it not subtracting? Is it right? Is it? Yes, the hierarchy. The hierarchy. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is that. Oh, bring in our volume measure. So that's how things are. Let's say we were to make that potion, right? Let's say we were to make that. How would we do that? Okay, that's gonna be easy. The best thing about this is procedural. You can change, you can rearrange things, you can add more segments there. You can just toggle it around any way that you want. Why? Just because it's set up in a procedural way. Okay, let's make that piece, right? I'm gonna make a copy of main, right? I'm gonna make a copy of main. Come to use solo. I just want to focus on these. And now, okay, main, and also the ball. Okay. Control Z. I also want ball. Okay, for the main, I just want to do this in a separate volume builder. Put that in there. I'm just gonna subtract. Okay. Think I like what I'm seeing. It's too long. It's too long. I just need a piece. Yep. So now come to helix, right? Come to helix. Let me put that in position. Okay, that will not show because it's not a mesh. Whole measure. I see something. Okay. Resize. Resize. Thank you very much. So now click your helix, go to is it that of I'm looking for, and angle, increase. Now go to height, do that, put it there. Wonderful. Some of you might know where I'm going with this. We're gonna sweep that helix. Cylinder, let me reduce your radius to be so still too big. Okay, with that selected, come to that panel, sweep, add in the helix. Okay, that is great, that is fantastic. Let's add the sweep in there. Okay, so now let's resize. Wait a minute, let me resize my helix. Yep, it's good. Let me try to crank up the radius. You know what? That is that, you know. That is the power of volume measures in Cinema 4D. Let's bring everything together now. Let's move that. rescale the whole thing. I don't want it to calculate while I'm rescaling. Also disable that. I don't want this to enable everything. Move this out just a bit. I'm just gonna rotate in there. Okay, my good people, that is the power of the volume builder in Cinema 4D. You can also add a smooth, even though I don't think it's really necessary, but sometimes it does the magic. Just like now, I also feel like it did the magic. Too smooth though, because it's more of a hard surface thing. I'll just put maybe 60. I think 60 will do. Even here I can do the same. Let me put 70. So, ladies and gentlemen, we can do this the whole day because we love to spend our time in Cinema 4D. So, for me, Isaax the artist, thank you very much for tuning in to the channel. Thank you very much for watching my stuff. Share, like, comment if there's any suggestion or if there's any question, because surely I'm sure there are so many questions here. The thing is, we can cover all the parameters in this, all the ideas, but you get the basic understanding and then the idea how to approach something similar to this that looks complex, but with one piece at a time you can get there. You know what I left out? I feel like I should wait a minute before we wrap this up. Let's just call this a bonus. Call this one a bonus, because at the end of the day, when this rotates, there's some sort of a metal piece that stops it. Bring that to 100. Bring in that guy. So, as I was saying, Isaax the artist is the name. Check some links in the description. I'll also go to Keyshot when I get time to do texturing of this using the node graphs. I'll definitely also go to Substance Painter. Just stay tuned. Check some links and hit the notification bell to get notifications whenever I post something on the channel. Okay, can make a copy of that, move it that side. If you want to text me directly, you can go to my Instagram, Pinterest as well, Unsplash, but Instagram.com I'm always available. Yeah, you know what? Also on Facebook as well. Check links in the description for those links. So, I'm just gonna put all of these in there. Alright. Sub D, go up. Do your magic. Thank you. So, as you can see now, when you rotate the handle, everything is still intact. So, thank you very much. Isaax the artist is the name. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. Isaax the artist, as always, I'm out.